Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vera here as always, and as usual guys, it's Ember month right here in Enugu, and guess what that means? It means a lot of activities, a lot of parties, a lot of events, and all of those things. I'm currently at Abacha festival. I was here last year and it was all fun, and I'm looking forward to so much fun this year. Guys, I'm laughing because people are trying to cross this camera and I'm trying to like stay hold up. Anyways guys, without further ado, I'll go in and bring you all of the fun things. This event is basically an eat, drink, enjoy thing, nothing serious. Just come and eat abacha and other local delicacies. So let's go into the festival and see what it's all about. Different vendors, lots of beautiful people, very fashionable people, lots of fine boys, interesting food and all of that. So let's keep going. So we are still here at Abacha Festival and I'm with one of the vendors. So tell us your name and what you are selling here.
Okay, my name is Vera and my business name is Spicy Seafoods by Vera. So today I sold pepper snails and fries.
Okay.
That's all.
So on a normal day, what are other things you sell?
Okay, I sell shrimps, just basically everything seafood.
Here in Enugu?
Yes, here in Enugu.
Alright, so let's talk about the festival. How has been patronage been so far for you?
Oh, it's been wonderful. It's been wonderful. I really enjoyed today.
Okay.
The sales has been wonderful. It exceeded my expectations.
Really? Yes. So that means if you are called upon next year to come here, you will come?
Definitely.
So you're among the sold out guys?
Yes, sold out!
Alright, I want to find out something. To be part of this festival as a vendor, do you pay for a spot here or is it some sort of empowerment stuff?
No, you pay for your stand. You pay for your stand.
How much is it?
30,000.
Okay, 30,000. Oh, well, I don't know if it's a lot or not, but so far you've made so much gain that covered your cost, right?
Yes,
I mean, that's what
I'm really so happy.
That's what very happy. That's okay. All right, I got something from her, so when I taste it, I'll give you guys review whether it's spicy. But there's not plenty pepper because I don't eat pepper. You're not sure.
Just small. I know you now. You don't like pepper. Stubborn girl.
life in Abacha Festival.
What are you looking out for today?
To eat food, plenty food. How to eat very well. Then meet people, meet new friends, make friends as well.
Are you searching for young boys?
Say again.
Are you looking for young boys?
Maybe. Maybe.
Say something.
I'm camera shy.
Well, I'm having a great time. I'm so happy I came out. I haven't had any palm wine yet or any abacha yet, but I'm getting ready to get some food in me. I mean, I usually just pick one item and build from there. So I decided I wanted to get the boots, to wear the boots, and I just built up from there. And then obviously the weather is incredibly hot, so I had to wear shorts. So not much thought into it, to be honest.
All right. Take care of yourself.
See, we are here hustling for Abacha. Like, if you come to Abacha Festival without eating Abacha, then you did not attend Abacha Festival. So guys, this is me, sleeping in the mud, hustling for Abacha.
I'll get what 2,000. Don't go here for 100 naira. That is 1960.
We've come to the end of today's episode. I hope you had so much fun as much as I did. Guys, I'm sorry you didn't see a lot of me. That's because I was behind camera trying to show you lots of things going on. And one thing I noticed, I don't know if you noticed, there are a lot of fashion forward guests here. Or would I say fashion way too forward? Just let me know if you saw such people. And did you see people struggling for Abacha? I mean, Abacha is one of the most commonly eaten foods in Enugu, but yet people were struggling for Abacha as though they've never eaten Abacha. Like, I was feeling, perhaps, if I'm going to pick the word of my colleague, but that's what Enugu is known for. And I appreciate the fact that vendors that came here all sold out. People had good time. People are dancing their hearts away, eating their hearts away, having fun, networking, and you know, it's all good things. So, so guys, I'll see you in my next episode. Thank you so much. If you watched to this point, remember to subscribe, like this video, share your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll see you. Bye-bye.